Every day, your heart is affected by the choices you make. What you eat, how much you move, how well you sleep, how much stress you carry, and whether you smoke can all influence your heart health over time. The damage usually does not happen in one day. It builds slowly, silently, and sometimes the first warning sign is a serious event like a heart attack or stroke. So, how does lifestyle actually damage the heart? The heart depends on healthy blood vessels, steady blood pressure, balanced cholesterol levels, and enough oxygen supply. When lifestyle habits are unhealthy for a long time, they begin to disturb these systems. One major factor is an unhealthy diet. Diets high in saturated fats, trans fats, excess sugar, and too much salt can raise cholesterol, increase blood pressure, and contribute to weight gain. Over time, this can lead to plaque buildup inside the arteries, a condition known as atherosclerosis. When arteries become narrow and stiff, the heart has to work harder to pump blood. Another major factor is lack of physical activity. The heart is a muscle, and like any muscle, it needs regular activity to stay strong. A sedentary lifestyle can weaken cardiovascular fitness, increase body weight, raise blood pressure, and worsen insulin resistance. This increases the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and stroke. Smoking is one of the most damaging habits for the heart. Chemicals in cigarette smoke damage the lining of blood vessels, reduce oxygen in the blood, and make blood more likely to clot. This greatly increases the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Chronic stress can also affect the heart. When stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline stay elevated for long periods, they can raise blood pressure, increase heart rate, and contribute to inflammation. Stress may also lead to unhealthy coping habits, such as overeating, smoking, or poor sleep. Sleep is another important part of heart health. Poor sleep or conditions like sleep apnea can increase blood pressure and place extra strain on the heart. Over time, this can increase the risk of hypertension, arrhythmias, and heart disease. The understanding of lifestyle and heart disease has improved as scientists studied how diet, exercise, smoking, stress, and sleep affect the cardiovascular system. Today, we know that many heart problems are not sudden accidents. They often develop after years of silent damage. The good news is that lifestyle damage can often be reduced or slowed down. Eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, avoiding smoking, managing stress, sleeping well, and maintaining a healthy weight can all help protect the heart. Today, artificial intelligence is helping people monitor heart health in more practical ways. Smartwatches and wearable devices can track heart rate, rhythm, sleep patterns, activity levels, and sometimes oxygen levels. AI systems can study these patterns and detect early warning signs, such as irregular heart rhythms, reduced activity, or changes in sleep that may increase heart risk. In healthcare settings, AI can also analyze blood pressure, cholesterol, glucose, and heart scan data to help doctors identify people at higher risk before serious problems occur. Lifestyle can either protect the heart or slowly damage it. Understanding how daily habits affect the cardiovascular system helps us make better choices and reduce the risk of serious heart disease. But if lifestyle can damage the heart, the right movement can also protect it. In our next video, we'll explore how exercise protects the heart.